Let's discuss question number 20. Let's discuss some one more questions. Okay, let's discuss question number 15 from test 5. This is from theory of machine flywheel part. Okay, so what is given? A certain machine requires a torque. So the machine requires a torque which is 500 plus 50 sine theta to derive it, where theta is the angle of rotation of the shaft. The machine is directly coupled to an engine. So you have an engine, you have a machine, you have an engine which runs the machine, produces a torque. So the engine produces a torque 500 plus 50 sine 2 theta in a cycle. How many times the value of the torque and the machine are identical? So let's plot from 0, pi and 2 pi, because 0 to 2 pi is the one cycle for the machine, right? So let's plot the torque. Let's plot the machine torque. It is 500. So if let's say if this is 500, okay, and these are vertical lines which are okay, so this is 500. So the constant is 500 and then 50 part is varying, so it is something like this, and it comes like this, right? So okay, this is the machine torque, and the engine torque, because it's sine 2 theta, so the period for sine 2 theta is 2 pi by 2, which is pi. So in pi only it will complete one cycle. So let me plot pi by 2 here. Okay, so the engine torque will just peak at pi by 4 and then in 0 at pi by 2 and then go back and again come at pi, it will complete one cycle. Similarly it will, this is 3 pi by 2, so it will peak at 45 after 90 and then become 0 at 3 pi by 2 and then again peak at 45 below 360 and then come back again. So it in 0 to 2 pi, if the machine torque, the machine torque completes one cycle, whereas the engine torque will complete 2 cycles in. So this is your engine torque. So obviously the points where it is identical, this is first point, this is second point, this is third point, and this is somewhere fourth point. Okay, so first point, second point, third point, fourth point, and this point is again identical to the first point, so we don't count. So there are only 4 points. So all this is easy when you just plot it and see. Okay, so 4 points at which the engine torque is identical to the machine torque. The answer is C. Thank you.